Experiencing problems with your Apple TV remote while using the Spectrum app is a common issue, especially on Apple TV 4K or HD models. The main causes often stem from pairing difficulties, low battery, or incorrect settings. The Spectrum app relies on tvOS for remote input, so any disruption in the Bluetooth connection can prevent the remote from functioning correctly within the app. To address this, first, try resetting the Bluetooth connection by pressing and holding the menu and volume up buttons on the remote for 5 seconds until the pairing icon appears on screen. Ensure your remote has sufficient power by replacing batteries or charging it fully, depending on the model. Also, verify that tvOS settings allow remote access by checking for any restrictions in Settings, General, Restrictions. A stable Wi-Fi connection is also crucial for the Spectrum app to receive commands from the remote without lag. If problems persist, continue to the next section for more advanced solutions. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, delve into the Spectrum app settings and consider future trends. Clear the app cache via tvOS settings, apps, Spectrum, clear cache, or reinstall the app entirely. This can resolve conflicts caused by corrupted data. Spectrum has also introduced a remote troubleshoot feature in its latest app updates, allowing in-app diagnostics for remote connectivity. Ensure the app is logged in and has permissions for device control. Keep your Apple TV updated to the latest tvOS version, as Apple has been actively addressing Bluetooth pairing instabilities with updates like tvOS 18.2. Looking ahead, Apple plans to further improve remote pairing with upcoming tvOS versions. Trends indicate a move towards software-driven fixes and AI-assisted diagnostics within apps, which can help resolve these issues without professional help. Stay proactive with updates and consider leveraging in-app troubleshooting tools for a smoother viewing experience. As 5G adoption grows, fewer Wi-Fi related issues should be expected.